Gentlemen, so it's our pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. Current local time is approximately 3:42. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened to reach the gate, and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That'll be your indication it's safe to move about the cabin and collect your personal belongings. Please take care when doing so, as items tend to shift during travel. If you need information regarding ground transportation, baggage claim, or connecting flights, a uniformed Delta representative meeting this flight would be more than happy to assist you. It certainly has been our pleasure bringing you to Atlanta on behalf of Delta and your codeshare partners, New Alitalia, Air France, and Alaska Airlines. We'll welcome you to visit our website at delta.com for upcoming destinations and low fares. Thank you again. Have a pleasant stay here in Atlanta or wherever your final destination may take you. Good day.